Will acupuncture cure me? With any kind of natural medicine, there is always some question as to whether it will be effective in your case. Of course, it all depends on how well-founded your particular treatment is and what you're trying to cure. Although very little has been studied scientifically about natural cures, there are some that have been shown to work from a medical standpoint. One of these is the use of acupuncture, an ancient Chinese medical treatment that manipulates the energy in our body to our benefit. Many people are concerned about going for acupuncture for one reason or another. One of the main causes of concern is because some consider it just to be a passing fad or something that is done and only helps those that are actually weak in mind. Let me put your mind at ease about something. Acupuncture has been around for thousands of years, even though it has only been popular in the United States for a few decades. Because of its growing popularity, some studies have been performed which help to show exactly what is behind acupuncture and whether or not it works. It is difficult to actually test something like acupuncture because of the difficulty of putting in a control group. Administering acupuncture poorly can be damaging and is often difficult to do. Therefore, having a control group is somewhat out of the question as far as acupuncture is concerned. What scientists have been able to do, however, is to measure the amount of energy and blood flow that are going to particular areas of our body. Whenever acupuncture is administered, the areas of the body that are to be affected actually do show an increase in blood flow and energy levels. This goes to show you that there is actually something behind the practice itself. Of course, any good acupuncturist will be quick to tell you that it is only part of the full equation. If you really want to bring your body into a naturally balanced state, you will need to do several things that include supplementation, getting some exercise, and acupuncture. Once your body is balanced, it will be in a better position to be able to fight off the disease or problem that you are experiencing as a result of the imbalance. So can acupuncture cure you? If used properly, it can be part of the equation.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.